All right, it's just been so ruthlessly cold. We've been under this first alert for the dangerous cold all Friday, all Saturday, and now Sunday morning. Take a live look. This is outside the shore in Ocean City, and actually it's a really pretty camera pan here showing still all that snow that's built up along the boardwalk. Now that snow is not going anywhere quite yet. Today we are still going to be below freezing, but as we get into the work week, finally those temperatures are going to start to climb. Now this morning we've been watching record temperatures and if anywhere is breaking them, and the answer is yes, a few spots. Take a look. Those shaded in blue, Trenton, Atlantic City, Wilmington, either have tied or broken a record for cold. Atlantic City is at 2 degrees so far for the low that we have seen. The previous record set back in 1884 was 4 degrees, smashing that one. In Philly, we are now just 2 degrees away from tying the record. Not sure if we're going to be able to make it there, but it is going to be a close call. And you see quite cold as well in areas like Allentown and Reading this morning. On our radar and satellite views, so for us today, still sunny to mostly sunny. A few scattered clouds in the afternoon. Look well to the west, though. We've got clouds building. It looked like a little bit of icing. That's the pink that you see on radar return. Well, a system is going to kind of come together as we go through today and especially tomorrow. The result is it's going to chug our way and give us our own chance at some icing right in time for tomorrow's evening commute, leading to a messy Monday. Let's focus on Sunday first, then we'll get there. 20 is the forecast high in Center City for today, 18 in Pottstown and Easton. You're at 20, Doylestown at 18 as well. The number in blue, that's the feels like this afternoon. And yes, finally, that number is above 0. 10 for what it'll feel like in Berlin, although in the low 20s. Stone Harbor also feeling like 10 degrees, and 9 for the feels like in Smyrna this afternoon with an actual temperature of 20. Forecast winds for today. This is a big factor in why we won't feel below 0. While the temperatures themselves are going to start to creep in the afternoon as winds shift gears, those winds will come from the southwest, and that is a warmer airflow. Those winds will be light too, so they're not going to be making it feel colder than it actually is, like when we saw gusts at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Let's go through the hour by hour here. So tomorrow morning is where we just started. It will still be cold in the teens, so you'll need to bundle up tomorrow morning heading to work. But you'll also need to pack a little bit of winter gear. About 1 o'clock in the afternoon, a chance of rain, snow, and ice starts to move in. First, our north and west neighborhoods. Through about 4 or 5 o'clock, it will start to approach the I-95 corridor, and then it will extend into New Jersey and Delaware as we get into between 4 and 7 p.m. It starts to exit the area by 9 o'clock, but that does mean that tomorrow's evening commute will likely be a messy one, even if we only get about 1/100 of an inch of icing. There's a look at the 10-day on 10. So Monday, we're at 34 for the forecast high. By Tuesday, 40s, and then check it out. Thursday into Friday, rain returns, but so do the 50s.